What up, Tube? Today is Sunday, June 17th. Happy Father's Day. Happy Father's Day to every father out there, guys. I realize that most barbers are males, so, happy Father's Day to all of us, guys. If you're a father out there and you're putting it down every single day, happy Father's Day to you, brother. You deserve it. We all deserve it. Today is Sunday. I am working half day today. We're working till 12 o'clock. Right now it's about 5:45. I'm up early. Swap meet for mom. Mom doesn't give up swap meet. Check it out. There's my trailer already hooked up. Swap meet doesn't end just because it's a holiday. So she has to go to work. So I figure if she's gonna go to work, I'll go to work too. Later on today, we're barbecuing for the fams right here, making some tri-tip and some frijoles. So I'll keep you guys posted on that, and we'll go see what we get into at the shop today. But today, guys, today's your day. Happy Father's Day, guys. That's it. Call it, baby. Yeah! Woo! World champs nada. Yeah, baby. So this is what I'm putting in right now, guys. It's a tri-tip kind of day. 7 bad boys going in right now. Hey guys, tri-tips are in the oven, in the smoker. I'm gonna show you guys how to make these big ass baked beans, guys. You guys want to know how to make some baked beans that'll absolutely everybody will love? I'm gonna show you guys right now. I already showed in one of my other vlogs, but I'm gonna show you guys again. I think I'm better at filming now than I was back then, so I'm gonna show you guys. So I already first step, get some bacon on the grill. Okay, we gotta make. I'm putting 1.5 pounds because I like them with a lot of bacon, but check it out. Step 1 to making big ass baked beans. Okay, guys, 1.5 pounds of bacon, diced up. Remember that. You're gonna add that to the beans. Okay. First step. Sorry, my can's upside down, but first thing we're gonna add to it is 1 big can of Bush's baked beans. Now you can do this to different proportions, but I use 1 big can of baked beans. Okay. You leave the juice in it. Next step. Step 2. Step 3. 3 large cans of beans. Mind you guys, this is to make a big tray, okay? We're adding it to the beans. We put the Bush's baked beans. Huh? And I know some of you guys out there, the raza are thinking, what the hell? Big Al's using pinto beans from a can. That's what the recipe calls for, guys, alright? Take it easy. Step 4. 2 cans of black beans. Remember, guys, same thing with the pinto beans. You're taking the juice out of them, or just the beans alone. Gonna add them to these ones. All adding them together. Variety of beans. Remember, there's Bush's beans, pinto beans, and now black beans. 5 kidney beans, 2 cans, no juice. Same thing, guys. Adding them to the other beans. We got Bush's baked beans, we got pinto beans, black beans, and now red beans. Sounds like a gas party, right, guys? Now we're gonna mix them all together. Get a good combination right here. Then we add all our other ingredients. And then we're going to stick it in the smoker. So, 5 steps. Okay, so far we're going to mixing it up. Step 6, guys. We're going to add molasses. Okay, molasses. No measuring here, guys. I'm just going to go with half of this, okay? Molasses. I don't know if you guys know what molasses is. Molasses is kind of like syrup. So we're going to add half of it. Molasses. It's looking pretty good. Step 7, guys. Brown sugar. Brown sugar again. I'm not measuring. I'm just gonna put probably, I'd say half of the bag, maybe 2/3 of the bag. Okay, brown sugar's in. Just gotta mix it in. So we got, just to reflect with you guys, we have to review with you guys. We have Bush's baked beans, pinto beans, black beans, kidney beans, molasses, and brown sugar. 2 more ingredients, and then we're going to stick it in the smoker with, well, we won't stick it in now. We're not going to stick it in for a couple hours. We only put these in for maybe like an hour and a half, the last hour and a half. Looking pretty good. Here we have our bacon grilling up. Put 1.5 pounds of bacon. Why? Because I love bacon, and I think bacon makes everything taste better. Bacon makes life better. I love me some swine. Okay, next step is 1 chopped onion. And what we're going to do is add it to the bacon. Okay? Bacon's almost done, so we're just going to add it. I'm going to fry it all up until it caramelizes with the bacon. And then we're going to add it to the beans. Bacon, onions caramelized. Now we're going to add them to the beans. I took all the bacon grease out of there, because you really don't want all that grease in there. It'll get all greasy. So bacon's in there, onions are in there, all the different beans. Now we just mix it all together, and that's it. It's Big Al's famous baked beans. Bella, do you like Big Al's famous baked beans? Are they delicious? Are they your favorite? Come on, man, you're on YouTube right now. I'm done. Alright, guys, the beans are done. That's as far as I could take you. But I'm going to add one extra thing to it that you guys probably don't have to add. And that's this little bag of good stuff right here. That is pulled pork from the last barbecue that I did. Pulled pork. So we're going to add it to the beans. This is my little brother Ron right there. Live. Take it back right there. Raven. The rest of the fans right here. Everybody's getting ready to eat. Everybody's waiting on the food. Keeping them waiting so that way they'll be nice and hungry. Kids are all over there playing. Happy Father's Day, guys. Happy Father's Day. So this is what came out, guys. Tri-tip. Check it out. 7 of them I gotta slice up in here. Para el video. Final product, guys. Check it out. Tri-tip with nopales. Mexico style. Viva Mexico. We won today. Ciao! Damn, final product right here, the beans. Check it out, guys. Who wants to be on YouTube? Who wants to be on YouTube?
I want to be on YouTube eating.
You want to be on YouTube?
No.
You don't? Oh, okay, then we're gonna have to cut you out then.
I want to be.
You want to be on YouTube? Oh my! Hey, wait a second.
Say Happy Father's Day.
Look what you're seeing there. What the heck?
You're a reindeer.
You're a reindeer too. You're a reindeer too. Look at, she's a reindeer.
Let me see. Let me see. Let me see.
Let me see you. Oh my God, you're a reindeer too.
That looks like a dog.
It is a puppy, huh?
It looks like a puppy. Oh my God. It looks like a reindeer and a puppy.
Bark like a dog. Bark like a dog. Bark like a dog. I think he called me wetback. Well, are you jumping?
I used to jump the cemetery wall when I was on a great one with a little running start.
Yeah, right. Stop
I
it.
was running through the wall. That's how fast I'd get over it.
Damn.
So like a belly flop over.
Yeah.
When you get over there at night.
So this is what came out, guys. Tri-tip.